Hello, I hope everybody's doing well. In this video, I want to talk about a slightly more complicated u-substitution. So let me get right into the problem. Okay, in this problem, I'm asking you to integrate x cubed times the square root of x squared plus 2. In the past, we've always talked about taking the inside of a square root, the of part of the problem, and setting that equal to u. Our standard computations involve taking a derivative and then solving for just the variable that we see here. In this case, we have an x cubed. We don't just have an x. So what you have to notice here, and this is why it's more complicated, is that x cubed has an x squared in it. In other words, x cubed is equal to x squared times x. This x, I'm going to replace with this eventually. But what do we do with the x squared? Well, if I go back to my original idea for the u-substitution, I can solve for x. If I subtract 2 from both sides, x squared becomes u minus 2. So now I have lots of things to substitute. I can substitute the x squared plus 2 for u. The x squared, I'm going to write that as u minus 2. The x, I'm going to replace it with 1/2 du over dx. So let's do those substitutions. So x squared, u minus 2. X, 1/2 du over dx. Square root of x squared plus 2, that's the square root of u, and I have a dx. Now at this stage, we can cancel the dx's, and we can write this as u minus 2 times the square root of u. Now the 1/2 that was here, I'm going to pull this out to the front. So how do I deal with this? Well, just like a lot of other problems we've done, I always want to convert symbolic notation, square root of x, into x to the 1/2 power. If I do that, I can distribute u to the 1/2 times u. That's going to get me u to the 3/2. U to the 1/2 times -2 gets me -2u to the 1/2. So now I have two antiderivative problems. Taking the antiderivative of u to the 3/2, we increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power. -2 comes along for the ride. The 1/2, we increase it by 1, divide by the new power, and don't forget the plus c in this problem. Now this next line is just taking this divide by 5/2 and multiplying it by the reciprocal. Dividing by 3/2 is multiplying by the reciprocal. Can you simplify this a little bit by multiplying this 1/2 throughout? Well, yes, you can. And that's up to you if you want to do that. And that's about it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have a good day. Bye.